XRP, we start with the weekly chart. Just I want to give a quick update. Actually, there is no much different in what we explained my last analysis. The only things what I explained my last analysis was that either we look at this one as a flat and this is the start of the up move, or we have to look, since this one almost near to the previous top, we have to consider this one as a first wave, this one as internal flat for the next drop before we look for the reversal. Which option? It depends on the strategy, the traders, they use both of them, they are valid. Mostly if this one turns to a deeper correction, it can give us a better confirmation for continuation. And as what I explained in my last analysis for this year, we have been looking for the XRP. Anyway, we move to daily chart, and from daily chart, as what we see, we are looking for this correction. Any opportunity for buy from here, we're looking for 63 following by 72 cents. Then from there, we want to see whether the price can break this zone or not. That's mean if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. Now, the only question is if the price continue from here, then any opportunity for buy within this range, we need to be quite careful. That's why if the price could give us the next drop, the price tag lowest the price of this correction, any opportunity for buy from there, it can give us better opportunity and in terms of the risk and reward. All right, but we don't need to wait for the price tag to the lowest price of this correction before we take the trade. And that's mean at this point we have the contracting flat. That's mean if the price continue from here, but if the price tag the lowest price of this correction, then from there we can look for the regular flat, right? We prefer the regular flat because we can buy the price at the lowest price of this correction. But if the price continue from here as a contracting flat, then any opportunity for buy from here, we need to be quite careful. That's mean both of the both of the option is valid, but at this point we're looking at the chart as a contracting flat. But from what we can see based on daily chart, we don't have a trade setup. And if we move to lower time frame based on forward and 1 hour chart, we are looking at this. If anyone wants to look for buy from here by considering this one relative to what we have here, as I mentioned, any opportunity for buy within this range, we need to be quite careful. We have to see the breakout of the top. If the price couldn't break, then we need to know how to manage it. All right, how to look for trade if we move to 1 hour chart. All right, having entry above here can be an option. A bit higher, we don't need to put it really close. And what we want to price sharply tag break and continue. If the price tag within the first or maximum second hours, we see there is no continuation, we should take out the trade. We have to see the continuation as a sharp move. If the price reverses as a corrective move, we are not really interested to take the trade. Simply, we don't take the trade because as I mentioned, we can expect the price continue and drop, even tag the previous low, and based on daily chart, it can turn to a regular flat. By the way, any opportunity for buy from here, if anyone wants to take the trade, if I move to forward chart, will be more clear. If anyone wants to look for the trade from here, we have to see the continuation as a sharp move. And if the price tag the top, then from there, we need to make a decision whether we should take out the trade or keep the trade. At least at that point, at least we move our stop loss to break even. By the way, it depends on the traders, how they're looking at this chart. This correction, either regular or contracting flat, because at this point is a contracting flat. Any opportunity for buy will take in, and the targets I'm looking for is 63 and 72 cents. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. As I mentioned, there is no much changes in related to what we explained yesterday. And again, if I see any update, I will share. Thanks.